Hey, this is Jabbar, your real estate agent, and today we are in Mission Ranch, and Mission Ranch subdivision has a broken up neighborhood that have different specific lot sizes. So today we're in the Oaks, and so in the Oaks it's 75-foot lots, and behind me we're going to take a look at this Pitman Custom Home here in the Mission Ranch area. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Jabbar. I'm a real estate agent that live and invest in Bryan-College Station, and like to highlight custom homes and investments. So please like and subscribe. So if you're someone who are looking for something within the next 30 days, 60 days, even a year out, I have people who tour with, do custom videos for, and just have several different questions when it comes to being in this area. So please make sure you like and subscribe so you can continue to follow me. But today we're going to take a look at this Reese custom home. Now, you can be able to see this neighborhood in Mission Ranch is, I think, about a little bit over 4 years in the development, and still have probably another 4 years to continue to develop. So you can see a lot of different custom homes in this area. So you'll have all local Bryan-College Station builders. So in this area of the Oaks, you have Pitman, you have R&L, you have Reese Homes. I believe that is it. And so you can be able to look at some of my other tours when it comes to some of those other builders. So today we're going to take a look at this. This is going to be a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, a little bit over 3,500 square foot. Have a extra bonus room upstairs. So let's take a look at it. All right. So we're going to go ahead and walk in. Now, if you are someone who definitely like more of the modern look, this Pitman custom home will be a good fit for you. And even someone who's like kind of that wood finish throughout the house, this will be a good fit. So right when you come in, you'll have beautiful foyer high ceiling lights, and then to the right we'll have your office space. I love this custom wall. As someone who have their own study room and they like to just be able to imagine a little bit, I'm a dreamer. So this is a beautiful set of walls with your beams at the very top. And so that is right to your right when you walk in. And then right across the street, right across from this one is going to be your first bedroom. Now, this oftentimes can be the guest bedroom, but you have your full bath, and inside of here, you're going to have a closet as well. I always love how they build in the shelves. Kind of can save you on space when it comes to having extra drawers. But walk-in shower. Kind of love the modern mirrors. So as we walk out of here, we'll go inside the foyer. And here in a minute, we're gonna go to the living room. But this is your powder room. Love the custom tiles and the wallpaper, and even cabinets in this half bathroom. So, all right. And so as we back out, we'll enter into the living room, kitchen, dining room area. So love these cabinets with the black knobs. It's just a beautiful finish. And as we walk here, this is where your refrigerator would go. You have your double stoves. Someone who definitely like to have family over, be a good fit. And then you have your dining room area right across from here. Good island size where you can fit your family to be able to come over here, sit down, but then also have extra cabinetry, custom cabinetry underneath. So I always say that's probably good for anytime you have your seasonal, holiday, Christmas trays that you don't use as often. You can be able to put underneath there. And then of course behind here, you can go into your pantry. So pantry has some good depth to it. have shelves already built in, even have a plug-in, as that can be helpful if you wanted to put a couple of different appliances in there. And then in the very back, now this you can kind of use two ways because it's going to be right outside of the garage. I wouldn't say a mudroom, but just extra cabinet space. And this is going to be the room to the garage. We'll go here in a second, but this is going to get you into the laundry room. So in the very back part of the kitchen. Real nice. And so we'll walk back this way and take a look at the garage. So it is a 2-car garage. Have some cabinets. So your attic space is going to be upstairs. So we're going to take a look at that here in a minute. Have your sprinkler systems over there. Okay, and then we'll come back. Love the living room. Does have a gas fireplace. Kind of keep you warm. Entertainment system can be able to go out here. So we'll go to the right of the kitchen, and this is going to get us into our master bedroom. I believe you're going to love this that you have. I love the walls already equipped for like your brackets if you want to hang your TV up. And as you go into the bathroom, I always believe is the biggest selling point for a home. At least that's what I found out for my wife. So have your private stall here, your his and her sink. I just love those cabinets. Then you have your tub. Shower has a good depth to it. Walk inside the shower. Then we'll go here into our favorite place is our closet, right? Closet has built-in cabinets and shelves, which is super good. So this is the far left, and then we'll go over here. Have some extra space, and so very good depth on a closet. So depending on you ladies, most of the time you can maybe squeeze your husbands in over there in the area. But sometimes it can be the opposite way, or both husband and wife are fighting for closet space, but good space in there. So let's take a look at some of the other bedrooms. So we'll go back out. So open floor plan and split floor plan. So on this side, you'll have your 2 bedrooms. So this can be good for your kids, kind of have them separate across. So this is going to be the first bedroom. And of course, they have the closets, got your Pitman hats in there. And then it's a Jack and Jill, so you can be able to walk straight through. I like the dirty clothes hamper that they have here. You do have tubs in the shower. And as you walk through, you can get a chance to see about similar size, both sides. I think a good family guest room. And let's take a look outside before we go upstairs. Now, they have, I love the finishes of the wood, grease lights, and then you have your entertainment system where you can be able to put your TV out here. And if you decided that you wanted to put your kitchen out here, it's already equipped with your gas stove plug-ins. So backyard is good. Now, as I said, they are building, so you can kind of see this is going to be a street in the very back that they are developing. So the yard has good, decent size. Just your preference you will have, depending on when you're moving. You'll have a house that's going to be back there. The roads they do have already poured. So it is literally in progress right now. And so as we come back up to the back door, we'll go upstairs and take a look at our entertainment room. So go up these stairs and you'll have your game room. So it has a good depth. Has this kind of built-in shelves, which is pretty cool. So if you wanted to put some decor kind of around the TV, which is already set up for you in the wall as well as it been entertainment room, have extra decor. And then over here, you're going to have an extra closet space where you can put your blankets, cover, or if there's a movie room, maybe you need to put some of your entertainment items and hide them out of plain sight. You can do that. And then when you come around the corner, you're going to have your full size bathroom. Now, when me and my wife, we had a very similar setup just like this. Upstairs was man's best friend, especially when you had your kiddos and want to give mama a break. Then you do have the attic space for my lovely Christmas decoration and holiday people who love to decorate. That's there. So once again, as you look at this house, you have any additional questions and you've seen something and you're like, man, I want to know more about maybe some incentives that I have worked out with the builders that they have currently, or you just want to see more homes that they have, obviously you can be able to look at some of my other videos of some walkthrough of some Pitman homes and other homes in this area. But please call, text, or schedule a time so that we can be able to talk more, or if more, just subscribe so I can just continue to show you different homes and investments in the Bryan-College Station area. I thank you for watching and see you next time.